Developmental milestone of toddlerhood. Firstly, the 12 months or 1 year of age. In case of gross motor, this includes the stands well, walks first step, as well as throw ball. This is independently. Now looking at the fine motor. Fine motor, there is two finger grasp, and looking at the language, it says first words such as mama or dada. Now in case of social, there is suppression, anxiety, and it also follows the first step command. This is with the gesture. Now looking at the 18 months, the gross motor, it kicks and runs, kicks the ball and runs, and the fine motor, it builds tower of 2 to 4 cubes, as well as it removes clothing. Next, we are looking at the language. Under language, there is 10 to 25 word vocabulary. Next, it also identifies greater than one body part. There's also the social or cognitive. Under this, they understand mind and begins the retentive play. Next is the 2 years of age. Under 2 years, it walks up and down the stairs, and this is with both feet on each step. Next, it also jumps. Now looking at the fine motor, at 2 years of age, it is able to build 6 cube towers and copies a line, and also turn pages is possible. Now we are going to look at the language at 2 years. There's 50 plus word vocabulary and 2 word phases. Looking at the social, it follows a 2-step command. There is parallel play, as well as begins toilet training. Next, there is 3 years. The gross motor includes walks up and down the stairs with alternating feet, is able to ride the tricycle. Fine motor, it includes copies a circle and uses utensils. And looking at the language, under language there are 3 word sentences, and you look at speech, it is around 75% illegible. Under social, it includes knowing the age or the gender, as well as this presence of the imaginative play. Next, we are looking at the 4 years. Under 4 years, the gross motor, it balances and hops on 1 feet. Next, in the fine motor, there is copying of square. Under language, it has identification of colors, and speech is 100% intelligible. And social includes cooperative play. Now looking at the last stage in 5 years, gross motor, it includes skips and walk backwards. Next, looking at the fine motor, this includes copying of triangle and ties, shoelace. There is independent dressing and bathing. There is also prints, letters. Now, looking at the language, the baby is able to count up to 10. There is also 5-word sentences. Social, the baby has friends as well as completes toilet training.